Hi. Before we do any electrical work, as you know, we have to turn it off the fuse or electric switch before we work. Better not electric switch. Better you take off the fuse or circuit breaker. Here, I am in condo. Every house or condo there will have a switchboard. Okay. Okay, take out the what's the necessary fuse for that particular room and find out which fuse is for that room. Try to take it out and see light is turning off or not, and take out exactly. I know this is the one for that room, that's why I take it out, this one. Very careful. Okay. Changing this small chandelier in my this bedroom, and there is two screw here. I taken out already. Okay, but usually when we take out this cup supposed to be came out, but they fit this wrong. Okay, once I take out this two screw, this came off like this. Okay, there's a two screw here on this cap. Okay, this one's supposed to be, this cap only supposed to be came out. This thing supposed to be sit there, but they fitted wrongly. Once we take out this screw here, okay, two screw here, this came off all the way. Not supposed to do that. Okay, I'm changing, try to put a new lamp, chandelier. Okay, once when we take out, you have to be carry with one hand, and this one is face, one is live line. Some of them there is a red color, some of them black. I just take out this and this cap. And we can make sure you need one electric tester. Make sure I turned off already. Before do that, you turn off all the circuit breaker or fuse. Take out the fuse first before doing all this. And I have the tester. I make sure there is no live electricity here, also here. Okay, make sure. Next, take this neutral. Take this neutral wire. One more thing you have to check out again, if there is live connections there. Even you turn off the circuit breaker, make sure if there is any live wire here with the tester. Okay, I took it off. The old 50 chandelier, I think is maybe Victorian age type things. Okay. Now I have this crown. This goes to the ceiling. This is shade. This goes under here. Okay, like this. It's a simple one. And this is mounting strap. It goes to the ceiling. And there is two screws supposed to go to the ceiling, and it stays there. And this center pipe thread supposed to go middle of this crown. Okay, it's called crown. It goes here. There is a nut here. We can take it out, and this crown goes through here, and this hex nut take out, and hex nut tighten here. It will stay there. Okay, there is three things. This is crown, goes to the ceiling. before going ground, we have to put this mounting strap like this. This 2 nut goes here to the ceiling. Fix this first, then through this center, put this crown through the center, and this nut, this hex nut, hold the crown towards the ceiling. Okay, and to this middle pipe, this middle pipe go through the shade here. Okay, and this long threaded pipe goes to this thread. Okay, that's how it is. I'm gonna fix it. This is the thing we have to fix it. Okay, the wire, already they given wire white and black. Exactly go black one or white one, which one is phase, make sure, and make sure it's connected properly. And earth wire goes to this small screw to the body. Okay, that's only I'm going to do. In this instruction, electric connection is very important, and it says here white wire from the fixture to the white wire of outlet box, and black wire from the black fixture to outlet box. But it says note, black outlet box wire may be red and round and smooth. Here when you see, this is red, not supposed to be black. This red has to go to the fixture, to the black one. The fixture one we have black and white only. Okay, that black one supposed to go to the red one. Okay, then the white one goes to here. Okay, this white one is rigid, not smooth, and sometimes the white one all twisted together. There is one black here connected. This one old condo. This rigid one is here. Okay, there is one rigid black wire here twisted with white, and the white one supposed to go here, and the black one from the fixture supposed to go to the red one. Okay, don't mistake. First of all, we put this outlet strap go to the ceiling. Okay, there should be a round strap there already. With this two nuts supposed to go to the ceiling. Okay, one here. Hand tight in, you can do hand tight in. And here supposed to go, already there is a hole there for the nut, screw. My old chandelier didn't have this strap. That's why once I take out the middle nut, the whole chandelier came off. Always careful when you take out. Okay, sometimes the people didn't put this strap. Once you take out, all things will come on your hand. You may drop it and its break is make big mess. Then make sure when you take out the old one, some people, they didn't put the strap, it will come out and it will make all mess. Okay, just tight firmly with the screwdriver. Comfortable tight, okay, not too tight. If it's too tight, it will loosen the thread, it will damage the thread. Then almost little bit tight is fine. If his thread is not supposed to go all the way, this pipe thread all the way up to this end, in order to put this frame. Okay, and the drawing shows this hexagonal nut supposed to go all the way up to the mounting strap. This hexagonal hex nut supposed to go all the way up there, and you have to tighten. Okay. Okay. use adjustable spanner or exactly size spanner. If you get it, whatever you use it, just tight it. Earth wire goes to this body, goes to here, body here, okay, attached to the body of this crown. It's a metal, and this earth wire is supposed to go to the small green screw here, and we're supposed to put it over it, okay, and tighten. You see one green screw here, okay. Use the screwdriver tight little bit, okay. It stays there. It is grounded wire. Ground wire. We can connect this white one with white. This one rough, not smooth one, and rough and rigid. Use this conductor twisted like this, okay. And use this cap. Okay. And use this black one with this red. And I use different color, red one. Okay. We have to put the insulation tape before push it in, okay. Otherwise it wouldn't stick that well. Use good insulation up to the tip and all the way to the back, because if in case any earthquake or something happen, it will detach. God forbid nothing happen, but it's the corona season, we never know what will happen. So keep safe side. Use good insulation and use the cap after that. That's a safe side, you know. Now this is firm. We use the hex nut all the way. It's the firm now. This one firm. Now we push this in. Okay. Push this all the way in. This in both connection, and go this center pipe goes to this thread of this crown. Okay, now pipe came out. Now we use this lock washer, okay. We use a lock washer here, and use this hex pipe nut against here. All the way in. Take this pipe out, this long threaded pipe out, and use this hex pipe up, okay, all the way. Detach this one out with this, then only it will get a gap to tight this one up. Okay. Leave it a little bit away from this aluminium foil in order to avoid the bend. That's a safe way. Now we have to use this pipe thread through this hex pipe thread. this pipe thread into the X shape thread nut, and we have to tighten this one all the way up. Okay. And use the spanner tight. Okay. Use the spanner tight shade, and we have this this kind of nut, round shape, half round shape nut. Again here, we put this one in against the crown and use this nut towards this pipe thread. This one you have to make it center against the crown. Make it center. This one look good and tight. Okay, hand tight is fine. Okay, now it's all done. Simple. Okay, easy. Be safe. We done the all lamp and chandelier we fixed. We have to put it back the fuse. Put back the fuse first, then turn it on. We're testing what we have done, our work. We turn on the switch. Let's see what will happen. Oh, done deal. Okay, now we are successful.